Hello Amazons, it's me and this is another haul video. This is another mystery lot from John. This is the third one that I've purchased. This one is the least expensive one. Again, his lots start at $19.99 unless he's doing a sale. So far this is the $19.99. I've also bought the $39.99 and the $59.99, but I did purchase them while they were on sale, and I kind of wanted to do the most expensive, the middle one, and the least expensive. So it's sealed up, and let's see what's in here. I know some of you have been buying these lots, and that's awesome. I would love to see what you guys got. Like, it would be so fun. So if you don't do videos here, just tag me on Instagram because I would love to see what you're finding in your lots as well. These scissors are kind of dull. Okay. Again, I have no idea what's in here, so let's just see. I choose the lots with the variety items. Oh my goodness. It's so full. I mean, I think he has lots where, there's just rings or like just bracelets. Okay, so let's just see. And again, I'll zoom in later. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, that's pretty. So there's a cubic zirconia ring. It's pretty, and it has like a matching band. And let me tell you, his, oh, it's got some sort of hallmark in it. This is gorgeous. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. His rings, even when they're not silver or gold, they're like heavy gold plated, and you can even sleep in them. It's awesome. They don't like turn you colors. I see another ring here, so let's open that one. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. That is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna try that on. This is so fun. Like, seriously. Like, I never know what I'm gonna find in these lots. And his lots are such a good deal. So, okay. Let's see what this says. I might have to cut this one open. Let's see what you are. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. That's really, really cute. I could have wore this today. And it's on a really nice long chain too. That's beautiful. Wow, another ring. So again, he has lots starting at $20. Again, I'm not a reseller, but these are beautiful. Wow, look at that. That matches the earrings that I purchased from him. Super, super, super pretty. Let's see. Whoops, dropped one. Ooh, look at that. These are like little huggy style earrings. These are gorgeous. Those are absolutely gorgeous. And again, I'll zoom in later. Alright, I don't want to lose those. Oh, wow. Hold on a second. How do I get this one open? Oh. Alright, might have to cut this one. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I can tell that these are real right away. So, okay, it's official. In every lot, I have found precious metal. These are emerald studs. Look at that. These are emerald stud earrings. So cool. So that's at least one piece of silver. I haven't looked at the other pieces. So Again, it seems like in every lot he has at least one precious metal item. Oh, now these are beautiful. Look at those. And again, even his fashion jewelry is really wearable, and it's not the type of stuff that turns on you. Like, I've slept in it, I've showered in it, I haven't turned green. Ooh, and last but not least, whoa, what is, oh my god, this is a set. Oh my god, these are real pearls. Oh my god, and some sort of a gemstone. I don't know what type of gemstone that is. If it's like, it looks like sodalite, or it could be maybe lapis. But oh my goodness. It's a necklace with the matching earrings. Whoa. Wow. This is beautiful. Okay, so let me take this off and I'll zoom in. Oh my goodness, it's even got a little bracelet. That is so cute. Okay, so hold on. Sorry, these are real pearls and gemstone. Again, if you guys resell, this is like incredible. Again, this was the $20 lot, and his lots go on sale, so it was 30% off. So it was like $13.99. How much would you pay for this set? You would pay more than $13.99 for this set. Genuine gemstones and pearls. And I haven't looped it or anything to see if it's silver or gold or whatever. I don't know yet. But that's that. Then there's this beautiful necklace here. And again, if you know someone going to prom or getting married or having like bridal showers, baby showers, these lots are fabulous. And you got these little earrings here. Absolutely beautiful. Now I know these are genuine. So you've got genuine emerald studs in silver. These little huggies, which look like lab created emerald and CZ. Those are beautiful. This beautiful CZ ring was in there. This ring is from the Kohl store. Then these two rings were in the lot as well. And this pretty thing was in the lot. And again, I don't know what's silver, I don't know what's gold plated, but again, his lots are a fabulous deal, guys. And okay, you guys know I don't make any money, I don't get anything, whether you shop or not. I'm just sharing where I shop. And I'm so glad that you all like the things that I like. That is awesome. And if you did purchase from John, let me know what you got. If you purchased from any of the sellers that I shop with, let me know what you got. This is so exciting. I cannot wait to go try this on. I'm going to cut this video short. Coming up next, I have some jewelry from John's store. I have jewelry from the Kohl store. And I also have stuff from the shopping network. So I will talk to you Glamazons later. Bye.